you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing my Easter tablescape or spring tablescape. I'm so excited to share this video with you. I love the ideas that I put together and I think that they would be perfect for any spring tablescape decor. So if you are interested in this kind of content, make sure you've hit that subscribe button down below and join my internet community, and let's go ahead and get started. Before we get into any of the decorating or the table setting, we are going to go ahead and give this table a really good wipe down. I'm just going to use some Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Basil. I am obsessed with this scent, you guys. It's just so fresh and so light, so it's perfect for springtime, and I highly recommend it for any time of year, but definitely a good one for spring. You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. Now that our table is nice and clean, we're going to get right into the centerpiece, and I'm going to anchor it using a macrame table runner. I've had this for a few years. I've seen them a couple times at Hobby Lobby, also at Michael's, and even at HomeGoods. So I know they are very popular and beautiful for this time of year. I'm also going to be using this adorable little toolbox. I actually recently grabbed this at the Tractor Supply Company, and it was extremely affordable. I think it was only $20, so definitely a steal, so beautiful. And I'm going to use a bunch of greenery as well as florals to fill up this space. I grabbed these beautiful, very pale pink peach little bouquets at Michael's on sale for only $4.99 a bundle, and they were such a good price, you guys. If you were to buy these picks individually, it would definitely cost you. But I loved this pale pink, and I thought that it actually complemented this blue beautifully. So we're going to go ahead and add in some blue hydrangeas. I grabbed these at the Dollar Tree, and using a pair of garden shears just clipped them so I could use individual segments throughout my tablescape.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know.
What I'm going to do now to change this just from spring to add a little bit more Easter flair is I'm going to add in these cute little white bunnies. Come on, focus, buddy. There he goes. So originally I had these little guys up on my mantle. Excuse my horrible nail paint. But we are doing a renovation project in the living room, so stay tuned for that. I will be sharing all the details in an upcoming video, but I decided these needed to be part of our decor, so I'm going to go ahead and use these in my tablescape centerpiece. I just think they are so beautiful. The texture that they add is gorgeous, and they're just so fun. I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. So before we actually get to setting the table, I want to share with you guys everything we're going to be using for the table setting. So I wanted to start off with this adorable napkin ring holder. Now I grabbed these at Hobby Lobby, and the blue floral is actually what inspired me for the entire tablescape. So I'm really glad I grabbed these. They are so adorable and really fun. So this is basically like the reason we have the blues in the centerpiece. To go along with that, I grabbed these blue wine glasses at the Dollar Tree. They are glass and actually really well made. So for $1, not a bad price. So I grabbed 10 of those. I'm also going to be using these cute little white bunny table setting holders with the little gold ears. I thought those were so cute. To tie in that gold, I wanted to get gold silverware. I did not, however, want to spend a pretty penny on it, so I grabbed some plastic cutlery at, this set is from Target. I've also gotten rose gold before at Michael's, but this is a really good hack, you guys. So if you want a different color cutlery for your table setting but don't want to have to buy a whole new set, definitely look at the plastic options. They look really nice, and honestly you can never tell the difference unless you look super close. I'm also going to be using some off-white napkins. I grabbed these on clearance after Thanksgiving at Michael's. And I'm bringing back the plates with the gold rim and the woven chargers from my Christmas tablescape video. So I'm really excited to put all this together and see how it turns out. My favorite things to do when entertaining is set and decorate my tables. So I love these videos, you guys. So I hope you enjoy them and I can give you some types of tips and tricks. So here I'm just going to use those beautiful floral bunny napkin rings with my off-white napkins and set them directly on the plate so they are beautiful and the center of attention.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
There are so many different ways to fold napkins when using napkin rings, but I'm going to share with you one that I love. I start off by folding my napkin into a triangle, bringing all the points together, and then I go ahead and turn it over so it's just the flat side. Grabbing the top point, I grab my fingers around it and then slip the napkin ring over. This gives a beautiful pleated look and allows you to fan it onto the plate, and I just think it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and set my cutlery out. I absolutely love this gold plastic cutlery. It is beautiful, and really, unless somebody looks really closely, they would never know until they picked it up. So such a good steal and such an easy way to make your tablescapes elevated a little bit more.
Maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder.
And here's a look at the final tablescape. I just love how this turned out. The mixtures of textures and color. It's just so much fun and so festive for spring and Easter.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you love this table setting. I think it is absolutely perfect for either a garden party, an Easter brunch, whatever you think. Definitely the possibilities are endless. I just love the blues and the pinks, the softness, and the mixture of textures. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next one. Bye!
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.